Hey there, well seeker. If you have ever dreamed of making money while you sleep or building a side hustle that actually pays off, then stick around. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 AI tools that have the potential to revolutionize your income and possibly make you rich. You might want to take notes because these tools are game changers. Imagine this. You're sipping coffee on tropical beach, your phone buzzes, and it's another notification of money earned while you enjoy the sun. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, with these tools, the dreams can become your reality. Let's dive in. AI writing assistant. First step, we have AI writing assistant. Whether you're a blogger, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking to start a side hustle, these tools can save you hours for work. Using advanced algorithms, tools like Jasper or copy.ai can generate blog posts, marketing, copy, and even books in a fraction of the time it would take you. Picture this. Sarah, a full-time mom, loved writing, but with kids running around, the struggle to find time. By using Jasper, she managed to publish her first ebook in just a week, earning over $1,000 in the first month of sales. That's the power of AI. Amplifying AI-powered stock trading. Next is AI-powered stock trading. Tools like Trade, Ideas, Levers, Machine Learning to analyze market trends and make predictions on stock movement faster than any human can. Imagine having a personal investment at visual available 24/7, analyzing thousands of data points on your behalf. Let's talk about Mark, a regular guy with no background in finance. After discovering trade ideas, he set up his account, and within 6 months, he was making trades turn a modest $5,000 investment into over $20,000. Mark wasn't a finance wise. He just harnessed the right technology. AI graphic design tools. Up next are AI graphic design tools. If you're not a designer but want to create stunning visuals for your brand or social media platform like Canva and Luca, enable to generate professional design effortlessly. Meet Jane, who started a small online business selling handmade jewelry. Using Canva, she created eye-catching product images and promotional materials that drove traffic to her site, increasing sales over 50% in just 3 months. A little creativity combined with AI can skyrocket your business. AI in e-commerce. Fourth, we have AI tools for e-commerce. Platforms like Shopify have begun integrating AI to optimize pricing, automate inventory management, personalize shopping experience. This means can run your online business, your online store more efficiently while focusing on growth. Think of Alex, who opened an online store selling fitness gear with Shopify's AI tools. He optimized product listening and improved the customer interactions, doubling his sales revenue in his year. He realized the smart use of AI could turn a simple hobby into a thriving business. AI for content creation and video editing. Finally, let's talk about AI content creation and video editing. Tools like Lumen5 and Descript simply the video creation process, allowing you producing engaging content with needing advanced editing skill. Consider Lisa, a teacher who started her own YouTube channel about learning language by using Lumen5. He created interactive videos that quickly grew her audience thanks to ads and sponsorships. She was earning more than her teaching salary. So there you have it, 5 AI tools that can help you earn money and build the wealth you have always dreamed of, whether it's writing, stock trading, design and e-commerce, or content creation. But I highly recommend for you this CapCut is the more handy software you can use easily. There is an AI tools out there just waiting for you to tap into the potential. Now, which tool are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into leveraging technology for financial success.